Wanted to do a quick update video on the diesel Mazda truck. Obviously it's red now. I got new grill, cleaned it up a bunch. Got those new side mirrors, been real nice. I'm gonna take a look under the hood. Perkins diesel engine. I got a battery disconnect just in case. I cleaned up the engine bay. I don't think I showed it in the previous video though. I repainted the air handler. Pretty standard stuff. It's got a crack in the windshield, but I'm gonna have to source a windshield from a junkyard somewhere. Put some Herculiner in the bed. Looks pretty good. Got some new carpet. Put some carpet inside. Got some door inserts for the handle. The only other complete door crank knob I could find was from a red model, so that's what I'm working with right now. I do need to remake these door cards out of something. I might just do a sheet of aluminum. I've got a friend with a laser engraver, so I can do some artwork on it maybe. I got new seat belts, but I haven't installed them yet, so it's still got the stock, crusty plastic ones in here. And I also got a 2-inch copper ball off Amazon and drilled and tapped it for the shifter, so it's got some weight to it now. I got a black dash cover that I bought to, cover up this gaping hole, but there's no cup holders in this vehicle, so that's my cup holder for right now. Go ahead and start her up. Just 30 degrees last night. That's my update.